bit large enough. There we go.
Oh,
man, it's a bit
Much better. Smalley right there.
Yeah, it's done, guys. Check this out.
Alright, then when I do, he's coming up there. He's coming up there. He's coming up there. Slim base, muscle base back. What I love this very solid 2-pounder and a little more of that. Not really more fun than this.
My limit. This is my limit.
It is. Do that, man.